Hi everyone. Welcome to C-Cell Excel Services.
In this video session, going to demonstrate how it payslip tool works, and payslip sending email to employee. Salary brings us happiness. Because we all are very attached to the salary that we receive.
Salary slip, also known as a pay slip, is provided to employees to record their monthly pay and allowances. It is a document that makes the employees aware of their incomes and deductions, as it would differ from employee to employee.
Components of salary structure are broadly divided into income and exemptions, deductions, personal details and leave information, company name and address details. Top of salary slip. Left side top of the salary slip you may fix your company logo. Personal details and leave information. It is usually at the start of the salary slip in the center, and has the record of leaves that an employee has taken in a month. Component earnings side, like basic salary, house rent allowance, leave travel allowance, education allowance, other allowances.
Component deductions side, like employee provident fund, professional tax, income tax, ESI, professional tax, advances, and loans.
Now we go to salary data sheet. Salary data sheet are broadly divided into employee master details. Employee master data has employee number, employee name, designation of the employee, department and data of join of employee. Leave details. Here I shown CL mean casual leave, sick leave, privilege leave or earned leave. How much balance leave to have employee wise? You have to maintain same or as you wish. Salary structure or earning details. Next set of information is salary breakup of income side. As shown here, you may maintain same, or you want to change as per your organization, you can do it.
Deduction details. Deduction data such as PF, ESI, income tax, staff loan, and other deduction, as shown here, you may maintain same, or you want to change as per your organization, you can do it. Bank details and email IDs. Here you have to enter employee's salary account number, and bank name should be a short name, like SBI, ICICI, HDFC, etc.
Here you have to enter employees' valid email addresses, to whom pay slips will be emailed, and you want to send copy to enter here. We almost done our salary process. Once again you confirmed salary data entry part, if yes. Then we go to salary slip preparation step. Select setup sheet. You can see the header and email groups. Default option button save with header, and email side save all button. Other option button is, if you have pre-printed payslip, then you have to select, without header. This you may take print out. Next step, click browse button, you have select PDF payslip save location. I have selected G Drive and payslip folder and Gen 19 folder.
Enter the pay slip period. Enter the period for which month salary slip you wish to email.
Next step, click Save PDF button, to save all employee pay slip to selected folder. Once process is end, it will give information to you. Done, press OK button. Add your own email, personal subject and message. We have provide some email subject and email body here, you can type as you want. These can be overwritten on here. Almost we done. If we click Send Email button, email sent to the concerned employee. Yes, will do it. If click Email Sent button, it will ask, do you want to see email prior sending? If press yes, you will see all email in your Outlook box after seen, you can send manually. If press no, automatically send all email to concerned employee. You may see Outlook sent item folder. If you want see PDF salary file. Before sending mail, you can open PDF file and see the payslip format. Better you can create month-wise folder to save PDF salary slip. So that later on any employee ask any month we can send manually. I hope you will understood this process. Once again I thank you for watching this video. If you like or share it will help for us. If you have your own payslip format and data sheet, send it to us, we will customize and send you.
Thank you.